Okay, now this is our main code of the Python in which we have imported data from Arduino to serial communication. Now we will try to plot the graphs of both the motors. We have taken the data of both the motors. One is the healthy one and that is the faulty one. Now we will plot the graphs and see what the difference is between those two samples and which fault it is predicting. Okay, now you can see this is a server we have created which is taking data from our database of both the motors and showing the graphs of three sensors. First one is the vibration data you can see here, second one is the current sensor data, and third one is the temperature data. It is showing these three graphs for both the motors. This is the graph for the second motor. Now we can easily differentiate between both the graphs and tell the predict the fault of the motor. You can see here in the first motor reading that the vibration graph is almost same with the second motor, but current data you can see here is quite uh, concentrated here. That means it is drawing a lot of current as compared to the other motor is a little bit smoother than that. And if we talk about the temperature data, in temperature data also there is not much difference between those two graphs. So the fault it is predicting here in this GUI is that the winding fault. So that was our fault. We already knew about the motor that it has a winding fault, but it is also predicting here through the graphs. So this is a successful test of one motor that we have plotted the graphs, and through the temperature graph it is drawing a lot of current. That means its winding is short, that's why it is drawing a lot of current. So this was the working of the project of our test bench, that how can we predict the fault if there is a rotor bar fault and any other fault. The vibration data will be a lot different than these two graphs, and similarly if there is any heating fault in it, we will also have the difference in these two heating temperature data graphs of both the motors. So that's all about the working. Thank you.